comparing fractions. Okay, to compare these fractions, there is nothing but arranging the fractions in ascending or descending order, or just telling which is the greater or which is the smaller. So those concepts will apply in these comparing fractions. Let me take one question. Compare the fractions. Okay, so let us take four numbers: 2 by 3, 3 by 4, and 5 by 12, and 9 by 16. So compare these fractions means we need to check we have to write in ascending or descending order. So which is the small. So let us do both. Okay, to make this ascending or descending order, we should know which is the small and which is the big. For that, we need to convert these fractions into like fractions first. Okay, as I explained previous, we need to convert these given fractions into like fractions. Then after converting, all the denominators are same. Then based on the numerator, we will see which is the smaller, bigger, just same like whole numbers. 3, 4, 12, 16 are the denominators. So let us find out the LCM first. So LCM of 3, 4, 12, 16. Okay, let us find out the LCM of this. 3 table you can take 3 ones are 3, 4 asterisk, 3 fours are 12 and 16. Let us take 4 table directly, 1, 1 and 4s. Then finally 4, yeah, 1. 3 fours are 12, again 12 into 4, so 48. So 48 is the LCM. So what we should do, we need to make every fraction denominator must be 48. As I explained previous, converting into unlike fractions to the like fractions. Okay, 2 by 3 into, we need to multiply and divide here. That means according to denominator is 3. Okay, 3 into dash is 48, 16, right? Same 16 you multiply for the numerator also. 2 into 16 is 32 by 48. Yeah, same concept will apply for the remaining numbers. Remaining is 3 by 4, 1 is 5 by 12 and 9 by 16. Okay, same what we should multiply to make the denominator is the same. You check that. Okay, 4, that is a 12 and same 12 you multiply. That is a 12 into 3, 36 by 48. This is 12, no? 4 and 4 because 12 fours are 48. And numerator is 5 fours are 20 and 16. So this is 3 and 3. 9 into 3 is 27 by 48. So these four fractions are exactly equivalent to next 3. Now based on this, we can write ascending and descending order. Okay. So first, ascending order. Ascending order is nothing but small to big. So which is the smallest? All the denominators are same. Now according to the numerator. Numerator is 20 is the smallest. So 20 by 48 is the small. That means that is 20 by 48 exactly equals to 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 less than. Next after 20, next smallest is that. After 20, next one is 27. After big. After 20, next 27. 27 is 27 by 48 means this 9 by 16. 9 by 16 is less than. Next after 27 followed by 32. Okay, all the denominators are same, only verify the numerator. Next 32 by 48 is nothing but 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is less than. Next largest or biggest number is 36 by 48. So 36 by 48 is 3 by 4. That is 3 by 4, right? This is the ascending order. And same, let us try it in descending order. Yeah. So descending order is the bigger number to the smaller number. Bigger number means from that side. 3 by 4 is the big. 3 by 4 because 36 by 48 is the largest number among these four. That is 3 by 4 is greater than, next to 2 by 3 is greater than, 9 by 16 is greater than 5 by 12. Okay, this is ascending and this is a descending order. So in this way we can compare the fractions. If they will give more than 2, find out the LCM and do. I will show you one more method in case only 2 fractions are given to compare. Okay, let us see one example. Just to compare 3 by 13 and 7 by 18. Instead of finding LCM, we can do in that way, just to taking the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means first fraction numerator into second fraction denominator. 3 into 18 you multiply, other two. 13 into 7 you multiply. Okay, this and this. Now just 3 into 18. 18 3s are 54. Okay, this is 54 and 13 into 7 is 91. We know 54 is less than 91, right? That means 3 by 13 is less than 7 by 18. Just only crossway multiply. Always remember, first fraction numerator into second fraction denominator should be in the first place. Other two should be in second place. 54 is less than 91. Obviously 3 by 31, 3 by 13 is less than 7 by 18. Okay, this is the method we can apply when they'll give two fractions to compare. Okay, and now let's see how to insert the fractions in between two given fractions also.